Let's add another email or Gmail ID to your device or your Gmail application. First, you can open your Gmail application or any other Google application like this. Then tap the profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Add another account. Here, select the email ID that you want to add. Here, I will select Google. Then just wait a few seconds until it gets loaded. Now you will get this sign in window. Here, either you can enter an existing email ID or you can create a new account. Here, I will enter my old email ID like this. After entering, tap the next button. Then it asks you to enter your password. Enter your password to verify yourself. Then tap the next button to go forward. After, if you have turned on two-factor authentication or any other verification, it asks you to confirm you. Like in this window, it asks me to verify it's me. Here, I got 4 different options. Here, I will select the third option. I will re-enter my recovery email address. So, you have to re-enter. Sometimes it asks you to get a one-time verification code to your phone number or your recovery email address. After verifying, you can just tap I agree. Then your account will be added to your device and Gmail application. Then if you got this kind of window, you can confirm your details and save it. Then if you don't want to add further information, you can skip that window and you can go forward. Then you have added new account. To switch to that account, tap the profile picture. Then you can see all other account. Select that account. Then you can switch to that new email ID. For more tutorial, click this end screen videos. Later.